Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Cuticle Nippers by Solingen and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. And if I'm pronouncing the brand name wrongly, I'm really sorry. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any cuticle nipper that you use. Let's get started. About the brand. I hope this is the correct company. The packaging did not have any website information. Solingen is a German company that focuses on manufacturing products like knives, scissors, and manicure-related items. They are famous for their blades. Where did I buy it from? I bought it from the online store called Amazon.in. They ship all over India. Product packaging. Cost and lifespan of the product. The Cuticle Nipper actually came along with a cuticle pusher, so the total cost of the product is 399 rupees. I bought it for 199 rupees as the seller was giving a discount. As for lifespan, I hope it comes for a few years at least. After that, it might develop some rust depending on usage and quality of the product. Claims of the product. Nothing was mentioned. The ingredients. Again, nothing was mentioned, but I think it is either stainless steel or carbon. How to check the quality of the cuticle nippers? If the nipper has a joint like this, then it is very easy to check its quality. All you have to do is hold it like this and move it to see if it is loose. Also, you should not hear any sounds like a clicking sound. I have covered some more points in my experience with the cuticle nipper section, which is next. My experience with the cuticle nipper. I want to start by saying that this style of nipper is a plier type with a lap joint, which means the two halves of the nipper overlap. I personally use this nipper to remove excess cuticle and my hangnails. Did you check out my salon style manicure at home video? This is the nipper that I feature in my video. I love that I don't have to manually open it. See this spring here? This part opens the tool. All I have to do is squeeze. This is also called a double spring, which contributes to less or no friction at all and provides smooth motion while squeezing. This type is also costlier than a single spring set. Since the jaw length is not mentioned, I think it's a half jaw. It does not look like any coating is given, and I think it is a carbon finish, so it does not need any plating to be rust proof. Moving on to the tip, it has no chips or rough edges. When I squeeze a nipper, I should be able to see a hairline of gap. This is again very important as it allows for a gradual cutting without crushing or damaging the blades. From usage, it feels like a quality product that is also durable. One thing to note is the blade. After a certain period of usage time, the blade will get dull and sharpening it will be a bit of work. Now, I don't know if this is made of soft or hard steel. If it is soft, then the blade will get more shorter with every sharpening when compared to the hard steel. How I use the cuticle nipper. I always hold it comfortably with my palm and then glide it solely onto the area of the skin that needs any trimming. I mainly use it to remove excess cuticle and hangnails. Storage and maintenance. Remember to always keep and store the cuticle nipper without any moisture involved. I keep mine on a shelf inside our clothes cupboard. This was mentioned on the product packaging. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly. It is very travel friendly. It is fragrance free, as in there is no metal smell. It comes in a plastic case. I don't advise to use it as it is not sturdy enough. I don't know if this product is a safe beauty. I don't know the lifespan either. Hopefully it does not rust very easily. The Solingen and PETA website does not mention anything. It is easily available for me. My rating. I rate this product a 2. It loses some points because some of the information was either not mentioned nor available. Will I recommend this product to my friends? Even though I have given this a 2 rating, I have not found anything better in the market, and until I do, I will be using this. So I will recommend this to my friends. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!